we're building a platform that is integrating multiple solutions that today you have in separate tools. Like you have is there a screener existing? Yes. Is there certain places where you can optimize your portfolio? Yes. I don't think with the approach we are using, but yes. Are you having portfolio analytics? Yes. Are you having a trader? Yes. But what we are trying to do is to put a coherent workflow and putting all these tools together so you can actually manage your portfolio end to end with all the tools and information you need. So let me explain how actually it works. First, you can define, starting from the left-hand side, you have a screener where you can define the universe of stocks, for instance, that you want to be investing. You can screen out sectors. You can screen out based on smart beta factors. You can screen out specific stocks and build your universe of stocks, right? So let's say that you start with the S&P 500. You can screen out and say, okay, I'm going to be investing in 400 companies. These are the 400 companies I feel comfortable investing in. And then you can optimize that. So, and this is where the artificial intelligence comes in, where what artificial intelligence is going to help you is to have a well-diversified portfolio. And there's different ways to have a diversified position, right? One is having a direct indexing solution. What this means is that you're going to be replicating the performance of an index. So if we put the sample of the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is composed of the 500 largest companies in the US, trading in the US, which represent 70% of the actual size of the market trading today in the US. So what it means is that by being invested in the S&P 500, you are indexed to the economy. So you know that the economy needs to grow for us to survive, right? So that's a fact. So if you're looking at the long term, you're always going to be in 20 years. Most certainly, you're gonna the S&P 500 is gonna be positive, right? So by indexing your portfolio to that, you're just going with economy. That's one way to diversify, but we are not saying that that's the only one, right? So that's why we add in other optimizations like mean volatility, where you can have an exposure to the market, but you are not totally confident on what's going to be going on. So you want to reduce a little bit the volatility. So if the market goes down, you're going to smooth that downturn, right? Or you can use a risk parity where within your universe you're going to be allocating the same level of risk to each of the individual stocks, or you want to have like more of a max diversification factor, or different other optimizations that we're going to put in the platform depending on the asset that we're talking about. Here we're talking about stocks, right? But we're expanding to offer also optimizations in crypto and optimizations in bonds. The next step is actually having a really detailed analytics. So what this is going to help you is that you're really going to understand your position. So you're going to have all the information you need to decide whether this is the right portfolio for you, right? You're going to understand what is the split of sectors, what is your dividend yield, what is your portfolio PE ratio, what is your value at risk. You're going to have a back test where you can actually see what would have happened with that portfolio if you have created 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years from now, and before today, what would have been the performance of that portfolio. And that's going to give you a lot of information of the volatility of your portfolio and of the trend versus the index of your portfolio, right? And one last part, we want to make everything really simple. We understand that people don't really have a lot of time, right? So that's why we integrate in the solution with your broker. We started with Alpaca. That is a really, really strong partner of us. But we're going to be expanding to serve other brokers like Interactive Brokers, TD Bank, Robinhood, and many other brokers, right? And what we're doing is that with just one click, you can go and buy 60, 70 stocks. You see a lot of people that they end up starting, when they start investing, they do a stock picking and they have a portfolio of 5 stocks. You're extremely exposed extremely exposed by only having 5 stocks, right? It really makes more sense for an investor to be investing in 60, 70, 80, 100 stocks and having a well-diversified position to the market. So why people are not doing this is just because it's a hassle to do it, right? You need a lot of time to go stock by stock, putting them in, sending the order, waiting for the order to confirm, and so on. So what we're doing is we are integrated to the broker, through APIs, and we're sending 60 all these orders all at once, right? So for you, just clicking one click, and you will be investing into 60, 70 stocks.